and a transdisciplinary and also an interdisciplinary perspective, which interdisciplinary falls within the category of where mutually exclusive disciplines sort of permeate each other to formulate new ideas or groundbreaking paradigms. So we're taking these approaches and we're exploring multiple disciplines simultaneously. We're looking at mental disorder from a philosophical perspective. We're looking at mental disorders from a psychological perspective. We're looking at mental disorders from a physics perspective. We're looking at mental disorders from a musical perspective, from a musical theoretical perspective, and we're also going to explore mental disorders from a linguistic perspective. We're also going to take the parapsychological phenomenon into consideration. We're going to take a psychopathological analysis. We're also going to take a pathophysiological analysis.